Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Direct Dil Se with Ankit. It's been quite some time since we launched this channel with an objective to have some direct Dil Se conversations with all of you. And here we are with our very first episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about circles of life, which is about managing human expectations and behaviors in these uncertain times. In such times when there is so much of negativity around us, negativity in terms of behavior, negativity in terms of actions. This is something which is really close to my heart and something which I've been following for quite a number of years with a reasonable amount of success. In circles of life, the very first circle that we talk about is called the inner circle, which includes us as individuals, our immediate family, which includes your parents, your brothers, your sisters, and some very close friends. This may also include your spouse and their relatives and their family as well. This includes the set of people who should matter to you the most at all points of time. These are the set of people who should be your source of happiness. These are the set of people with whom you can share your life at any point of time, whether it is a happy moment or a sad moment. It should not make a difference. These are the set of people with whom you can have a heart-to-heart conversation at any point of time. The next circle that we talk about is called the middle circle. This includes people with whom we interact on a day-to-day lives. For example, some cousins, maybe some relatives, our bosses, our colleagues, and so on. Yes, all these set of people matter to us, but in the long run, these people should not be the source of our happiness or sorrows. We should not feel bad if our boss doesn't treat us well. We shouldn't feel bad if we have a fight with our relatives or some friends. It should not make a difference because ultimately in life, the people who are going to matter to us the most are the people in our inner circle. Yes, it is not required that we treat these people badly. It is not required that we should not deal with them. It is not required that we should be rude to them. But it is important that these people should not be a source of our happiness or sorrow. Yes, we can be happy when they treat us well because at any point of time, each individual needs some kind of recognition for whatever they try and do and how they behave. So, if these people treat us well, take it with a pinch of salt. If they do not, it should not make you happy or sorrowful in the long run. Yes, people who are there in your inner circle should always make a difference to you. Whether they are your close friends, whether they are your family, those are the people who should always matter to you. The last circle that we talk about is called the outer circle, which includes the society as a whole, specifically people with whom we have very little interaction. As they are a part of a circle, they are a part of our day-to-day lives as well. But these are the people, since we don't deal with them on a regular basis, just in very infrequent interactions we have with them, they should make the least amount of difference in our day-to-day lives. So the people who should really matter to us should be our immediate family, our immediate friends, our very close friends, our spouses, our children, our brothers, our sisters, and so on. Not people who are your colleagues, or let's say who are your bosses, or let's say people with whom you have very little interaction. There might be certain times when you might feel that there are certain people whom you would like to shift from their middle circle or the inner circle to your middle circle or the outer circle to your inner circle. That should always be done with a pinch of salt. Take time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Deal with this set of people to see whether they actually belong to that inner circle or not. If yes, you can put them in your inner circle, and you can always try and share your feelings, your day-to-day interactions, your happiness, your sorrow with them. But at any point of time, if you feel that there are certain set of people in your inner circle who don't deserve to be there, or who are just listening to just to make up stories, or let's say who just want to please you for a certain reason, then they should not be a part of your inner circle. They don't deserve to be a part of your inner circle. So the entire context of this entire episode is to make sure that we have a good number of people in our inner circle who should always and always matter to us. People outside, our colleagues, our bosses, relatives, yes, we need to be good to them, we need to deal with them on a regular basis, we should not be rude to them. But in the long run, they are not the people who are going to come and solve your problems when you need them the most. The people who are going to really matter are the people inside your inner circle. Again, I'm specifying there can be certain cases wherein certain relatives or certain friends can come into your inner circle, but that should be done with a lot of caution. People outside should not make much of a difference to what you feel. So at any point of time, if you come back from your job feeling that my boss has not treated me well, or my colleagues have not treated me well, or this person has not treated me well, take it with a pinch of salt. Chill out, because they are not the people who are going to matter to you. The people going to matter to you should be your friends, your son, your kids, your brothers, your sisters, and so on. So if you deal with them well, and if you always hold them in good stead, whenever you have some sorrow, or whenever you need to share your happiness, then you are in the right frame of mind. Yes, there are certain times when you might have differences in opinion with people in your inner circle, but in the long run, they are the people who are going to matter to you the most. And since that is the case, those differences in opinion should not make a difference. So that is what this episode was all about. That is about circles of life, wherein we need to focus our attention on the inner circle, which includes our immediate friends, our families, and so on. And that is what I wanted to convey to all of you. So thank you so much, and keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you once again.